really says a lot, Mike, because it has been colder than it should be. I mean, at least for the early part of December.
Oh, yeah. December is going down as 5 degrees below average, which is really quite cold. And especially when we consider the last couple of years when we've actually had very warm Decembers. Now we have the cold. And today was a good example of it. We dropped down to 12 degrees. We hit 12 degrees once earlier this month. So this is really one of the coldest Decembers we've had on record. And look at the high temperature today. We're supposed to start the day at 27. We ended the day at 22. We didn't even get to the average low temperature this time of year, which we're supposed to be right up around 40 degrees. So right now, as you look over the city, it's 21 degrees, but the wind is calm. We're a little busy there this morning. Those wind chills were cold. Lows this morning dropped down to the single digits. Not wind chills, but air temperatures were at single digits, and we had that wind. So wind chills were way below zero. So what's going to happen? Over the next 12 hours, the snow is going to be arriving. Then it will taper off early tomorrow morning. So it's really tonight that we are talking about the snow. Then our next threat is the possibility of perhaps some freezing rain developing as we head towards Sunday night into early Monday. We have rain coming in. We know that. And it's going to be pretty wet on Monday. But it's that transition on Sunday night where it may be just cold enough at the surface and we throw that rain on top of it. We could have a bit of freezing rain out there. But really the bulk of the weekend is fairly dry. It's going to be clearing out on Saturday. Nothing really arrives from that ice until Sunday night. So it's really in between. You've got a fairly decent weekend coming our way, but it will be cold. Here's the snow right now, and you can see how it's working its way eastward ever so slowly, just moving into Worcester, and that will be into Boston probably 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock tonight. You'll start to see some light snow going on. But tonight, a little light snow, but the farther west you travel, the more snow you get, and the more likely the roads are going to be slippery. It will be a dry, fluffy snow that we're talking about, and that adds actually a forecast challenge for us because we got the available moisture, but if it's cold out, it fluffs up more. We call it the fluff factor many times. And these are cold temperatures tonight. It's not like when it's 32 degrees and it's that heavy, wet snow. This is going to be a very fluffy snow we're talking about. So tomorrow, a little morning snow, and then by afternoon, we're getting a little sunshine. But another cold day, 26 to 34 is all the warmer we're going to get. So that's why I think generally about 1 to 3, but with that South Shore enhancement and along Cape Ann as well, we make it in the 2 to 4 inch category. And then the farther west you go, the more snow you're going to be picking up out of this one. So here comes the snow, steadiest as we head towards midnight. And then watch this area right through here, that northerly breeze picking up a little moisture off the ocean, and we get this enhancement to go on right through here. And that's why we get a little bit more snow there than what you will if you're just a little ways away from the coast. And again, a wind shift of 1 degree or 2 degrees can really determine how much snow you get out of that one. We saw it on Wednesday right at the coast. We'll see how it's going to be materializing tonight for snowfall totals. So as far as the temperature trend, notice how we're going to be warming up. And on Sunday, we get up to 38 degrees, but it's still really cold at the surface. So we start to add a little rain to that. That's why I'm concerned about possibility of seeing a little freezing rain as we head towards Sunday night. So the cold air is in. Now remember, cold air settles down to the ground. Everything stays cold on the surface. Now we bring the warm air and the rain aloft, and it falls down as rain, but once it touches that cold surface, it freezes up again. So that's why as this warm air and rain comes surging in, we may get some of that freezing rain to develop in here late Sunday night. The bulk of your Sunday is fine, it's just cold, and then eventually it warms up until we're talking about rain moving in here on Sunday, or excuse me, on Monday, and with the Monday rain, we could get a good ½ inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain out of the whole thing. There's how much rain we're talking about, liquid content. If it was a little colder, we'd be talking about a lot of snow, but in this case, it looks like the warm air is going to surge in here and scour out that cold air. But not tonight. Tonight we have the snow in there and a little morning snow tomorrow before we get to some sunshine in the afternoon, but only about 28 for a high. It does warm up on Sunday, but now we're adding that moisture in here Sunday night, and that's why we may have a little freezing rain initially, and then it changes over to all rain. And Monday is a pretty wet day. It's 46 degrees. In some places, may actually get to 50, but again, it comes with rain. Then we get another shot of cold air, cold and windy on Tuesday, and as we end the year and begin the new year, there's a chance of a few flurries for first night and perhaps even for New Year's Day. But temperatures basically on the cold side and no big storms on the horizon. It's just Sunday night into Monday and then again tonight where we're talking about the snow. Jessica.